What foods can we eat, you know, to increase the length of those telomeres, to make our skin look vibrant and bright and wonderfully healthy?
You need to eat a healthy diet, and this is lifestyle. This is not something, oh, I'm on healthy diet today.
No quick fix treatment then.
Yes. So as everyone knows, vegetables and fruits.
Yes.
And you eat sensibly, and you eat small amount every 2-3 hours. You don't eat big meals.
Okay. So keep your meals quite small.
Yes.
But frequent.
Yes.
So that you're never sort of bloated.
Exactly.
Oh, that sounds good. Okay. So that means maybe in the break time I can have a little snack, but healthy, yes?
Yes, exactly. You need to eat at least every day a big plate of salad.
Yeah.
Because all these lovely colors of vegetables contains lots of vitamins that is helpful for your skin.
Yes.
Not only
So the more colourful, does that mean the more balanced your diet is?
Exactly. They say the rainbow colors.
The rainbow colours.
Yes,
okay,
so you need
perhaps
to eat all the colors.
Oh right, so we could have some red peppers. We could have some
tomatoes,
green spinach.
Yes, exactly.
Yellow peppers.
Yeah.
Carrots.
Yeah.
Indigo. Beetroot. Yes. Okay, alhamdulillah. So rainbow salads.
Yes.
That's the way to go. I'm going to make one later tonight.
And the desserts, I really encourage people not to eat lots of sugar.
Okay, so keep your sugar down.
If you can replace your dessert with fruits,
yes,
that would be great.
Baked apple.
Yeah.
So maybe some pineapple and ice. Well,
we have
a little
lots
bit of ice cream.
mangoes
We have a few treats. Yeah, mangoes.
Yeah.
Oh, I love mangoes. And the juicy ones, the nice, juicy, sort of ripe ones, are the best, aren't they?
Yes, exactly.
But good for your skin as well. So inshallah, after our mangoes, we'll have glowing cheeks.